The village of Mong Ping, in the remote Shan States of Burma, has had little contact with the outside world. Its people can neither read nor write, and only words like sun and rain and rice have meaning. The village of Mong Ping, in the remote Shan States of Burma, has had little contact with the outside world. Its people can neither read nor write, and only words like sun and rain and rice have meaning. The Shans live close to nature, and nature can sometimes be cruel and selfish in providing and monstrous in afflicting. But the new rice was good. There is special reason for celebration. Today, our people easily given to laughter and mirth. Today, Inan, daughter of Ipo and Iwa, will marry. There is much for a mother to say and a daughter to hear. Itip has waited long to take a wife, and he looks forward to a life with Inan, whom he loves, and many sons to help in the paddy field. The best of the vegetables and spices go into the curry, and many more hands than needed are here to help. Under the charge of the most skilled weaver, the rice storage basket nears completion. A present from Mong Ping to Inan and Itip. With their drums and gongs and voices, the bachelors of Mong Ping come to serenade the bride. But for such a privilege as looking upon Inan, they must pay. And the women are stern in their demands. A favorite game. She must take a chance. She must confide in someone. It is the numbness she feels in her arms and the spot on her shoulder that makes the fear so great.
Dr. Colombo also cares for the people of the town of Kangtung, which is the capital and market center for this whole vast area of the eastern Shan States. Every morning at 7, he visits the dispensary. The people arrive before... In Kangtung town, there are many things to look after. Certainly, his most difficult single problem is providing rice for the colony. There is a bit of help from the government, but hardly a tenth of what is needed.